Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video I will take you through how to install the TP-Link wireless PCIe adapter in your desktop computer. So if your desktop computer doesn't have the Wi-Fi capability or the wireless capability or the wireless feature, you can buy these expansion cards and install in your desktop to give your PC that wireless feature. So in the box we have the wireless card itself, the driver, the accompanying software driver. Then there's another bracket, there's the installation guide, and those were also the packaging in the box. So that's the wireless card we are going to install in this particular PC. So first of all, we're going to do is to detach the antenna, the Wi-Fi antenna or the wireless antenna from the wireless card. And then when we are done installing the card in the PC, we will then attach it again. So now we will have to open the computer up by unscrewing the two screws at the back, and then we will then open the cover to reveal the inside of the computer. This is a Dell Optiplex 72 something or 78 something, I'm not quite sure. So those are the two expansion slots we are going to install the wireless card in. So we'll install the wireless card in one of those expansion slots. The next thing I will do is to lift up the lever that holds down the expansion slots covers at the back. That lever is also known as the retention bracket. So when you lift that up, the next thing you want to do is to remove one of those covers at the back. You have to make sure that the one you remove matches where you are going to, or matches the slots in which you are going to install the wireless card. So next up, grab the wireless card itself and then match the chip end of the wireless card in the expansion slots. Just be careful with it, and then align the chip end of the slot into the expansion slots. And then when that matches well and then the back is also in place, just push down on the wireless card into the slots until it snaps into place. Just like that. Make sure you push down on it well and make sure that it is very firm in there. The next thing you want to do is to put back or push down the retention brackets to hold down the back of the wireless card firmly. And from here, what we are going to do is to attach the antenna, the wireless antenna, back onto the wireless card. So the antenna is attached to the wireless card at the back of the PC, and now we are ready to cover the PC up and then proceed to the next stage of this installation. When the cover is on there properly, you are going to need to screw back the two screws at the back, or to tighten the two screws at the back. Make sure that it is well covered. The PC is well covered. So you can see the PC is covered up and the wireless card is also nicely and neatly installed in the PC as we are looking at on the screen now. So the next stage is to install the device drivers. So I will open the optical disk drive and then insert the CD that came with the wireless card. This CD has the drivers and software for the wireless card we installed earlier. So close the optical disk drive, and then from here you want to move to the screen of your PC. If it should automatically pop up on your screen. If it doesn't, click on File Explorer, click on this PC, and then right click on the TP-Link DVD, select Open, and then double click the auto run option right there. This is a managed PC, so I would need to enter the admin username and password. In your case, it might be your personal computer, so you wouldn't need to type any admin username and password. So the next thing is to click on the wireless cards icon there to begin the installation of the drivers. So basically, the device driver software is what would enable the wireless card to work on your operating system on the PC. So in this case, the drivers would allow the card to work on this PC, which is running a Windows 11 professional operating system. So installation of the drivers is done. So the next thing I will do is to click on the network icon, click on the Wi-Fi icon, and you can see that the wireless card has indeed found some Wi-Fi network. I'll select one of the networks, click next, type the password for the network, click next again to connect to the network, and you can see that the PC is connected to that Wi-Fi network. Next up, let's test the connection to the internet. So I'll use the Microsoft.com website to test on a browser, and you can see that the website opened pretty fast indeed, very quick and very fast. So yes guys, we've successfully installed or gone through the installation of a TP-Link wireless PCIe card in this video. Kindly subscribe, like and share the video to support us to bring you more of such videos and to grow this community together. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.